Hello again and welcome to another video, and today we're looking at the Seat Ibiza 1.2 S, finished in the grey metallic. Nice colour. Just got a few little minor scuffs there on the edge of the bumper. It's got a little bit of damage there on top of the door, some stone chips, a few little chips and scuffs here and there. Clean inside. See a little bit of a mark there on the back bumper. So a few little bit there, a few minor scratches, chips on the back bumper. Decent amount of boot space. Blow up kit all present and correct, and the towing eye, it's all there. Side's alright. Side's got a couple of little dents and chips there, very slight. Again, on this bumper corner there's a couple of bits, scuffs there. Nothing too serious, just a little tiny bit there as well. Slight scratch there. So yeah, a few little marks where it's been used. Just starting to show a little bit of damage on the driver's seat there as well. Electric windows. Let's just take a look. 78,000 miles. We'll have a full service before it goes out. Control there for your heating. 12-volt socket. Central lock-in, heated rear window. 5-speed manual. Conventional handbrake. Runs nice, no warning lights. Box. There's a book pack with it as well. There's the owner's manual. So yeah, we're going to. It's got remote controls there for the radio as well. So we will give the car a full service and a fresh MOT before it goes out. So if you're looking for a nice little runabout, very economical to run, nice to drive, low in insurance, give us a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thank you again for watching.